Hi, my name is Lynn with WTI. I'm so happy to have this high quality set apron and gloves for welding for our shop. I really like how the apron fits snugly and is long enough to provide a barrier from the sparks. It's very important to have the right equipment for the right job. I really love this set. It's high quality and exactly what we needed. I'm very pleased with this product. So this apron has all kinds of pockets, different hooks so you can make it smaller. It clips together. That way your straps won't fall off. Very thick. Nice soft lining. Nice and thick. Very, very thick gloves. Nice padding on the inside. I don't know if you can see that. Good stuff on the inside to help keep the heat out. I love these. And that's my point of view.